Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah. You can share the PPT and start the session.
Thank you. So today's session is on industrial cyber security infrastructure in view of adoption of digital technologies in the plants, in the manufacturing sectors, or in the industrial environment. So even cyber security, we have our own house network, PC networks. We have to take care of cyber security. Uh, but in industry, it is a must because it is related to your large amount of data, proprietary data, and it needs to be secure. So today we'll highlight what are the cyber security requirements for the industries, right? And how you can prepare for that. Means your learning is very very important in that direction. So first we'll see how cyber security, why cyber security become an important issue for industry now. Because earlier what was happening, cyber security for the automation plants, we will within the plant we never allow anybody in the control room. So it was a very restricted area, and there was a physically we restrict without proper identity experience, even within the organization only for the few people will be allowed inside the control room. So that way we will take a security of the system. But now what has happened, your DCS or any automation system plant data, for example your industrial data from DCS, PLC, SCADA, or wireless smart sensors, that now directly goes to the business functions. Maybe a process optimization software which is uh, out of your control room where your DCS hardware is there. Asset maintenance, quality related, compliance related, maybe it is related to supply chain. So this data nowadays is taken out of your from your control system to the business functions, and then though these functions are again within your organization boundary, but certain functions which same data further goes to the enterprise systems. Enterprise systems is ERP system. ERP systems. Just a minute. Sorry. See here, the data is going used for ERP system, enterprise resource planning, where it goes for your procurement, or maybe it is related to your inventory store, or maybe related to the marketing, sales marketing, or it is related to your we can say uh, this data goes for finance modules. So that is comes under ERP, and then we can see here uh, cloud, maybe certain data you are taking out from here to the uh, manufacturers. Suppose that process optimization. So process optimization maybe from your third party organization. So that data also goes to the outside your faculty company, and that is through cloud. So various people are there to use your industrial data from DCS PLC. So you can see here, earlier it was within the control room. Then here it was taken to the within the factory area, boundary wall of the factory. Now it has taken to the cloud outside your factory. So therefore, the security concern or data security become very very crucial here. Now, first we'll see the what are the benefits of the this OT and IT. The word short form OT means operation technology. Means operation technology comes here. DCS, PLC, SCADA, and OT means IT means information technology means ERP, cloud, these solutions. So driving towards a digital transformation and IT OT system conversions. Mm, Data by taking out of the system, that is the convergence requires a platform that empowers the information exchange across remote plants for better profit operations. So there are benefits of sharing the data from the control system to the other stakeholders, other remote plants. Enables a remote operation for operational efficiency. So that benefits your, for example, your plant data is used by experts who are having uh, at the remote locations, and they are expert in the optimization of the process. So they will guide for the uh, optimized set values, and that way efficiency of the plant increases. So integrates the process and supply chains. So at any point you will come to know what is your stock, what is your plant load, what is your quality parameters, and what is the demand in the market for your customer. So that supply chain, that is related to your product, but that also related to your inventory. Maybe it is related to your internally gases from one plant goes to the other plant, raw material from one plant to the other, one plant's finished product is the raw material for other plants. So like this, the within the plant also you can integrate the process. So at any point of time you need not to see the stock is not there but the plant has stopped or plant is on reduced load. So that type of situation will not happen. Then enables data driven optimization that builds computer aided operations. So that is what I have explained you. So you can see a operation technology. What are the functions? L- Means I told DCS PLC, but these are the major functions in the operation technology. Means within the DCS PLC SCADA, process data historization means DCS or PLC or SCADA, they stores the information. So that is called a data historization. Means you can particular parameter months last month how was its a performance. That type of data also you store in the storage special server for data collection storage, that is called data historization, and that data you can archive it through software, and that software is called historization software. Then OT functions are DCS and SCADA, managing process executions, process simulations, operator training simulator, process optimization, augmented reality, alarm management, safety systems, loop tuning. These are all functions carried out in the your DCS PLC or your operational technology. Nowadays this term has came operational technology. Earlier we say DCS control room, safety control room, that way. Just a minute, give me 1 minute. Hello. Huh. So these are the functions of operational technology. Now, what are the functions of IT? Means when we say IT and OT, so IT for business administration functions are IT for business administration with ERP and Office software. So IT is looking after ERP, enterprise resource planning software like SAP and all. So ERP major functions, what are these? Finance and accounting model of the business, human resources, with, HR and all this, HR, HRD, all this, supply chain management, as I told, and customer relationship management related to the procurement and other customers, marketing. Supply chain is the internal supply chain, like inventory, procurement, and all. So these are the major functions in the ERPs softwares. And Office software tool functions are email, word processor, spreadsheets, and presentations. So Office software tools are normally in the office. These are the requirement: email, word processor, spreadsheet, and presentation, etc. So overall in the IT, these are the areas: ERP and Office software. And we have seen OT means operational technology. As an instrumentation engineer, we look after this part more. Hmm. Then, as I told, the benefits when collaboration or convergence, I have explained. But you see here, IT OT integration is a key step towards the digitization. So now, when we are talking about Industry 4.0 or cloud-based adoption, or we say IIoT implementation. IIoT means industrial. Uh, Means it is a totally, it is a digitized. Means you are talking about everything is a digitized. So industrial, internet of things. So these are terminology coming in instrumentation, and these are new to us. So we have a challenge to learn it, and that is what cyber security come in the picture. So you can see enhanced plant data access to enterprise users, faster decision making, improved effectiveness, optimized utilization. These are the benefits of the IT/OT conversions. So Industry 4.0 or IIoT services, but when we are saying these are the benefits, but there are some concerns. As I told, these are the very new technology, and existing manpower are not trained on this. They are not they have to learn how to operate it. They have to change their mindsets. So in the digital world, data security is a prime consideration and responsibility. So first part is a security, data security, and maintaining the confidentiality and integrity of data via cloud control access are important from security point of view. So security point of view, it is a very important. So you can see this slide. Just minute, just minute. huh. So instrumentation and control means I and C department leads the plant side DX. DX means digital transformation. Means IIoT and all we are talking, that is this. So IT and OT systems are level 3.5 in open process automation communication network triangle. This is a very important. I am going to explain you what is that level 3.5 related to the cyber security in within the process, in the process hierarchy. Planned digital transformation department independent of office digital transformation department. So always I told plant control room digitization and office tools are different. Now IT leads office, means IT main function is office digitization. Instrumentation and control leads plant digitization. Now this IT and OT means instrumentation, they are going to collaborate, integrate each other. So plant data goes to the ITs for further business functions. So IIoT technology network protocol. So I am now explaining you related to cyber security. How what are the standards coming up? So first we'll understand the IIoT means Industrial Internet of Thing Technology Network protocols. Which are the new protocols? What are the robust security wise, speed wise, reliable networks that we will discuss. So open standard base to support device from multiple vendors. First of all, you need a protocol, network protocol like Ethernet and all. It has to be open and multiple vendors means your system or any your device of different manufacturer can support, like any PC we see Ethernet, USB. So any PC, whether it is a Mac, Apple, or any manufacturers, uh, they provide these networks. So Internet Protocol (IP) is proven and standard. IPv6 is a preferred no address space limitations. So this is the then IPv6 over low power wireless personal area network. IPv6 routing protocol for LLNS are do not support IP. So I'm skipping this last text, but you see here uh, this is the protocol which are used for your IIoT technology data protocols. Uh, you see here one picture here. These are your wireless sensors. These are your gateways, mesh gateway, and through the gateway you can say it is connected to your control system and cloud. So sensor network managed by operational technology, this is the instrumentation engineer's role. Secure reliable network managed by IT, security and all IT. So you can see here wireless plant network, that is called VPN for safety reliability and plant performance. So you see here you have here connected devices, services, plant web applications is here, some services, and industrial Wi-Fi applications here, cameras and for security, for attendance, for location, which person where it is to identify whether he is in the hazardous, and so location of the people, cameras for surveillance and mobile worker. So that for that one system is there. For instrumentation pervasive sensing, non-contact sensitive, the sensors are there, and there are some softwares also like asset management and all these softwares services are from here. So all these are services are connected through individual gateways for this, and these all gateways are communicating each other, and this is the wall that is called a firewall. Actually picture of wall means firewall or security wall we can say. These are the external devices, and you see existing system here is here, which has a process control, plant level control, corporate level means the ethernet, ERP here, plant optimization, and actually plant control is here. Means DCS is here. DCS data when goes to the plant optimization and other tools. There again firewall is there. When uh, means I'm talking about this is a plant level. This is the actual process control. Plant level control means your uh, asset management, simulation, all these tools are here. Maintenance softwares will be here, and then the data goes to ERP for financing, accounting. So you see there are walls at each level, one, two, and finally when the data goes to the cloud, the cloud is shown is a Microsoft Azure, then also firewall is there. So at the plant side you have these three firewalls, and when you connect the wireless devices, IoT devices, IIoT devices, then again firewall is there at each level. If suppose data directly goes to this, the firewall is here, then firewall through firewall it is there. So everywhere security is there. That is why my point. So see the network here. Field sensors, router or gateway, and through this you can see your mobile worker, wireless plant network. Then you can see these gateways through data comes to the DCS control network, and it is controlled here, and same way everywhere it is taken out. So here it is a firewall. Here when data goes out of plant, firewall, here also firewall. So whenever when the data goes out of plant network, it is protected through firewall. Here also firewall. So you can see here presently these are the protocols: wireless sensor network data integrations. So industrial standard protocols is OPC, UA, IEC 62541, Modbus, RTU, Modbus, TCP, HART IP, Ethernet IP, wireless HART. So measurement and data. So like this you can see here protocols are used. And there are some because as we are talking about the security and digitization, entire industry uh, in India also, in globally also. So you can have open standard. So new open standard, open process automation standard has arrived. That is called a NAMUR. So this always happens. Something new technology is launched. Always you will find uh, standards are prepared by manufacturer, by regulatory compliance group, all together sit together and standards are formed. So this is a NAMUR is one institution, and they have open architecture that is called N for this NAMUR, O for open, A for architecture. So NOA for industry for 4.0. So this standard already they launch, and it has a, you can see what are the benefits. Create open standard based system. Open standard means all vendors providing multi vendor integrations, easy upgrades and replacement of system. Easy upgrades and replacement of system. Maintain means there is no proprietary uh, hardware or software. Maintain end user software portability. Reduces system life cycle cost. Means you should not have more maintenance cost later on. Ensure safety, reliability, and security. So it NAMUR standard, that is the NOA standard, has a four-layer triangle architecture. Four layer म्हणजे ground is a field level, then basic control means DCS PLC, then third is the manufacturing execution level, that is related to your, as I told, your optimization, maintenance software, simulation software, analytic quality related software, and then enterprise resource. Finally, it goes to your finance or supply chain modules or your accounting system of your own company. So this is a triangle, and I will show you here NAMUR Industry 4.0. architecture. So or it is same, you can see, I have shown in this picture also here. So this is the field level below this, the process control. This is the second level control management functions, and these are ERP functions, and this is a triangle. So I will show you the triangle again here. So you see here, mm, mm, huh. Another standard is a Purdue oblique ISA. IEC 62264 5-layer ITOT. So this is a equivalent standard, but they have a 5 layers. And NOAM is Namur has also 4 layers. Means almost within the 4 layers, whatever functions are there, same functions are carried out in the Purdue or ISA model. So instrumentation and control protocol compatible with the existing system. So you see here 5 layers. Layer 0 is your field level. Level 1 is your basic control. Level 2 is your workstations, operational graphic user interface control, local HMI LAN. And out of this, when you can see your plant data goes out, then here security zone is there. So this is OT. This side below is OT and above is IT. And when this goes level 2 to level 3, level 3 is your site manufacturing softwares, operation and control related. So this is the level 3. So here you have a firewall. I have shown earlier also. So then after that data goes to the your ERP. This is your IT function in your organization, site business planning and logistic network here. And this is at level 4. So once I told you level 3.5 is introduced in the this model, that is a DMZ layer. So this layer is called a 3.5 between 3 and 4, and this layer of the security is called a DMZ. So what DMZ means? Demilitarized zone. Demilitarized zone. And this is a very rugged cyber security hardware software. And after that data goes to your system, your organization's ERP. And then after the ERP, it goes to the uh, your remote where plants or remote vendors or remote, uh, we can say, um, licensors of the company products like this. So that is another DMZ level you have to add before connecting to the cloud. So this is the what security zone introduced in the Purdue model. So Purdue is nothing but oblique ISM is the same, or IEC 6 to 5 layer IT/OT integration. So as I shown you in the picture, layer 0 is a field IO. That is a field IO protocols are wireless technology. They are chip sensors, cloud analytics services. So data goes direct to the cloud through these wireless sensors. So field IOs. Layer 1 is a basic control, and their protocol are this is DCS or PLC, HART IP, Ethernet, wireless HART, LoRaWAN. These are the protocols. On layer 1 and layer 2, area control, HMI, DCS LAN, Modbus TCP. So these are presently we are using in our basic DCS control. This is for wireless we are using. Layer 3 is the site manufacturing option like OPC UA, OPC Classic. These are the protocols for say going up data to the other applications, specialized software tools. And this is the layer 3.5 I was talking. This is a security between IT/OT, IT/OT convergence. IT means information technology, OT means operational technology convergence. So demilitarized zone, DMZ, for cyber security. And what is the DMZ? DMZ is a short form for demilitarized zone. DM is a network used to connect hosts and provide an interface to the untrusted external network. So untrusted means we are not trusted that customer. When you have to connect to that, this DMZ security level will protect your data. That is the function of DMZ. Then layer 4 is a side business. That is again normal Ethernet LAN. Layer 5 is again ERP public cloud and goes to the cloud. So this is the what Purdue model introduced now. So so we have discussed about benefits, technologies, DX Namur that I told now and Purdue both the models are now available for the users or integrators, manufacturers of the automation systems in the IIoT. So in the college level, most of the students doing the project on this LoRaWAN. LoRa is a modulation technique for specific wireless spectrum, while LoRaWAN is an open protocol that enables the IoT device to use LoRa for communication. So this has also popular in the industry now for SCADA applications and all. So you can see here uh, how proprietary process licensor and machines technologies protected in cloud technology in for transformation. So presently we have certain application we are running on the cloud. Most of the we have started already on the cloud of last 4 years, and after COVID, means post COVID, it has the speed has increased and awareness in the industry has also increased. So digital transformation need not to be in the cloud. Most plants do digital transformation on premises with the servers in the plant. See, this is the what because what is happening. Still, we don't uh, have a we have fear in the mind. See, moment we access our plant data to the cloud, it will get hacked or it will be misused like that. Or maybe our plant may get access and our system may trip. Nowadays, we see most of the cyber security uh, incidents in the industrial plants, also in the commercial networks, in the society, in the especially in the electricity and water distribution network. Always they disturbs social life. So uh, if you don't want to you use this cloud, then you put your server inside the premises. But if you do not use the cloud, the security for the cloud is mostly provided by the cloud provider. For instance, if you use Azure cloud, the security is provided by Microsoft. So in addition to that, the same basic security practices as for a server in the plant, like managing access and password, etc. So Namur benefits are there. As I told, Namur is open process automation forum working to ensure safety, reliability, and security, reduce system life cost. So this I have explained you. So cyber security. Now I am talking. So what is cyber security? Considering all the asset classes in the plant, several manufacturers should be granted access to the equipment data. So moment we started giving access of your equipments to various vendor manufacturers, then always you have to take care of the security of the data. So since IIoT involves both the internet and instrumentation, the IT and instrumentation control department must work together. So working up together, both IT and instrumentation is required now, and therefore this is a good opportunity for the instrumentation now. They learn, they enter in the IT environment. Earlier, they IT people were not allowing to have access. So now it has to be like the saying goes, "Good fences make a good neighbors." Means always keep a distance with the neighbors. That is a good neighbors. Therefore, define a clear boundary of responsibility between IT and instrumentation. Usually, a demilitarized zone with the firewall at level 3.5 of the enterprise architecture. So this is the what security requirement for IT OT conversions. This is important. DMZ with the firewalls at level 3.5 in the enterprise architecture. So this is what required. So I will give you about some pictures of the cyber security. Hmm. So cyber security certification is also required. Cyber security for automation systems is needed. There are some standards, functional safety standards such as IEC 61502 and IEC 61511 define how products and system meet safety security level, seal targets, but do not address the cyber security. Now we have seen hazardous area classification, seal 1, 2, 3, but they are not addressing your cyber security. They are addressing the security within the control. Thus, the cyber security management must be addressed alongside or in addition in a process safety management. So, in process safety terms, one can view cyber security as a critical layer of the protection in the overall protection scheme for facility. So, cyber safety certification and formation. I'm six. Hmm. So, if you are not maintaining a cyber security system properly, you're not installed properly, you're not taking a, seriousness about that, then it leads to the risk of cyber security, safety of your people, trust of your customer. So many times you'll see your customers will not believe on you because always your plant shut down or not working. Then always you see peace of mind anytime we see something goes wrong in password or some message from bank comes, so disturb that becomes a disturbance for us. So this entire thing becomes, if you are not fishing out your message which are coming to your laptop or PC or your mobile, then definitely everybody has peace of mind disturbs. So, industrial cybersecurity solutions overview: physical security, network security, host-based security, disaster recovery, access security, application-based security. So, at each location, you can have a security. Physical security means inside the factory, security person is there. He's checking your proper identity and then allowing. Network security means at a network level, firewalls and all. Host-based security, design access security means for particular area you need to have access. So that type of solutions are available. So I'm going ahead actually. See here, why zero trust? You should not. Zero trust means always you keep away. Okay, I know this person. So in industry it is not allowed. So the wall is see now zero trust means never trust, always verify. Means always you see many people, even companies CEO also they take away identity cards and all it is shown. So this is what it is required in organization. Never trust, always verify. IT zero trust is about auth- authenticating users. Means user ID and password. This is the what one uh, IT authentication. OT zero trust must be inspect and secure assets. So you whenever you have to access particular assets, either particular workstations or particular software, you inspect and secure. There you must have two levels of security. First you inspect the whether is a learning, you are expert in this, and whether he's allowed, and then within the this password user level password and there this user ID and password. So you can see here one example here. This is a signal, and this person. He's crossing the road. You see here, he has three options here. Uh, so you can see ramification, confirmatory, how it happens. He will go the sig and waiting here. The signal may collapse on his head. That is the possibility of one accident. If suppose he is running away in this path, means he are bypassing this and going, there is a casualty. Maybe he will die. Is a severity is more. This is a path in between he is crossing, and there is a little damages may happen. So always you see when you are crossing the road, signal uh, crossing, you are not following the signal. Then these are the possibilities. So in the business, Gardner survey predicts by 2025, cyber attackers will have weaponized OT environments to successfully harm to kill humans. So you see here, by that much cyber attacks is possible. So the security is very very important. So in the business objective, our main objective of business is reduce the operational cost, respond to the customer demand quickly, address government initiative means related to environment, carbon offsets. And suppose this is one of the utility where water treatment distribution is there, and if this water distribution facility, water goes here, and you can see here compliances, standards, frameworks, and ramifications. See here, there are threats from outside, and they may attack on your system here working. And what will happen? They will disturb the water supply. So, how to reduce this? One thing, you can have any accident happens, the system in the plant works like this. Uh, so what happens? Incident has happened. Worker quality assurance has some casualty here. So he then security person has checked, and then this security person has alarmed. Sorry, and then he surveillance system has detected this, and see here what has happened. The outside threat actor means virus software is entering from the cloud to your system here. A surveillance camera is there, it is reaching here, and it has created the accident here and disturbed your manufacturing facility. So when the data goes outside, hello,
Hello, sir.
hello, huh? So
Shall we continue tomorrow, sir?
okay, 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 okay. Thank
Is
you,
it over
madam.
or something is remaining?
Tomorrow at what time? Okay, tomorrow we'll decide timing, right?
Tomorrow, sir, actually, both class IV is there. So we will
Hmm.
continue day after tomorrow.
Right, right, no issue.
Okay, for SE and T, both the session.
Okay,
Okay.
ठीक है. Thank
Okay,
you,
sir.
thank you, thank you, thank you.